Hi, it's Legionero back with another video. I would like to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel and everyone who keeps coming back each time I post a new video. So I finally have access to Midjourney Alpha. It used to be 1,000 images, but now if you've created 100 images in Midjourney on Discord, you now have access to Midjourney Alpha. So I've been playing around with it for a little while. I did get a prompt guide off of Etsy, but I've been playing around with it, creating different things. And I just wanted to see how it works and see if I could get some different images created. Um, so far, these are some of the images that I've created. I've been working on trying to get full body images um, because I like full body images. These images are great. They're beautiful. I love full body images. Um, and I'm using the Niji 6 version. And let me show you over in Discord when I use the Niji 6 version. Now, of course, this is a completely different prompt than what I'm using in Alpha, but you see the difference. These are chibi girls, but there's still a lot of differences when you use the Niji 6. And I will take this prompt over to Alpha once I try my other prompt. So the prompt guide that I got from Etsy, I've used it a couple of times, and then I took it and I tweaked the prompts to make the prompt my own. And so now I'm getting ready to test that prompt with you all to see what I get. This is another one prompt that I tweaked to get a full body image. So now I'm going to try another prompt that I've tweaked and made my own to see if I can get more full body images. So here is the prompt. I will link it in the description box below. So let's see what I get. So here is the prompt here. I got one full body image. She kind of looks like a ninja. But I also put the prompt over in Discord. Um, Everything you do in Discord will also pop up in Midjourney Alpha as well. She's beautiful. I wish that this was a full body image because she is absolutely gorgeous. Um, yeah, this one looks more like a ninja, like she's gonna throw these flowers away and she gonna pull out some ninja stars. Um, it's cute. It's okay. It's not my favorite, but I did get a full body image. Um, she's cute as well, but she's my favorite. She's my favorite. So let me see what I got with when I put it over in this Discord. Oh, I like it. I like it. She's okay. I like her outfit. Let's see. Go down. Here we go. All right, I like this. I like it. I think it's kind of sleek. I think it's cute. I do feel like I need to tweak the prompt a little bit more. Um, but usually if I was using 5.2 version of Midjourney, these are the images that I get. Um, kind of, so they're drastically different from the Niji 6 model. Um, but I'm going to take this prompt from earlier, this one, and I'm going to put it over in Midjourney Alpha and see what I get. I probably will get the same type of image because actually, let me take out Chibi Woman. I'm going to take out Chibi Woman and see what I get. And there's something else I wanted to add. I think it's go here. Yep. Style raw. I'm going to add this on the end of that prompt and see what I get. Okay, so these are not bad at all. Again, using a completely different prompt. I'll link that prompt as well in the description box below. So let's see. She's cute. Let's see what the other ones are. Cute. I like it. It's okay. I feel like something weird is going on with her eyes. And she's cute. Um, I like it. I like it. It's different. All right. So overall, I did get a couple of full body images. Not as many as I like, but I did get a couple of full body images just kind of playing around with Midjourney Alpha. And again, I'm on the $10 Midjourney plan, and I've created well over 100 images. So they did change the stipulations from 1,000 images to 100. So now I have Midjourney Alpha. Here's some of the other ones. These are images I got using the prompt guide that I bought, and I'll link that Etsy shop below. The name of the Etsy shop is escaping me right now. But I will link their shop below for their prompt guide. But these are some of the images that I got using their prompt guide. So I guess it's just all about the wording that you use with this. I'm going to try one more thing, and then I will let you all go. Okay, so I just changed the words of the first sentence. I don't really like these images. They're okay. I don't really like them. Yeah, I'm not really feeling these. This one is nice. I like this one. I like the style of this one. But I don't really like the other ones. All right, so I just wanted to come on and play around with Midjourney Alpha a little bit and take you all along on the journey with me. Let me know what you think in the comments about Midjourney Alpha. Let's talk about it. All right, again, I will link the prompts in the description box below, and I will also link the shop of the prompt guide that I used for the earlier images that I did before I started the video. All right, if you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video, and I will see you in the next one.